One of the most effective ways of increasing your motivation may sound obvious or crazy, but it's no joke. In neuroscience, it's called having a growth mindset. Scientists have found that adopting a growth mindset can greatly improve motivation. So, what is it? In short, it's simply believing that you are able to grow and improve. This definition makes it seem like everyone should already have a growth mindset. But in reality, thoughts like those can get easily interrupted or erased by negativity. Anytime we think things like, I can't do this right now, or I don't need to learn that, we are interrupting our growth mindset and potentially holding ourselves back. If you are one of the many people who have difficulty believing in yourself, keep in mind it's proven that all humans have the ability to grow and improve. Having a growth mindset is one of the best ways to tap into your unlocked potential.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.